As a photographer on Instagram, I have a specific color theme that I'm going with. Everything that I upload, of course, was done through Lightroom, and every photo that I upload for my grid is taken with a camera that I'm using right now to film. For stories, it's a little bit different. I'm usually outside when I upload Instagram stories, and I don't have a camera with me everywhere I go. It's a bit different because I have to use Instagram filters that were already created by someone else, or I have to spend more time in Lightroom on my phone to edit things. So I have to import everything in Lightroom, edit the way I want it, then upload into Instagram. That just takes a little bit more time than what I'd like, and it takes storage on my phone as well. So to keep it a little bit simpler, I created an Instagram filter. If you have your own presets and you want to create one filter that you like to use, and your followers as well, everything that you need to use is in a description box below, so you can just follow along as I do it. So everything that you have to use is here in the middle of the screen. Of course, you need to have Lightroom to import this PNG file and apply your preset on it. Spark AR is the software you use to create the preset filter, and this Sparklot Patch Master is something that a guy created for us, so it's easier for us to create this filter. So everything that you have to download will be linked in the description down below. This is the site of the Spark AR Studio, PNG file, and this Patch Master. So let's get started. I already imported PNG file inside the Lightroom. So on the left side you have, as you know, your presets. Most of the work that you have to do is here inside Lightroom, because it's not going to look the way you want first time. You need to change exposure, saturation, play around with colors until you get to the look you want. And when you're done, you export it as a basic JPEG. I'll export it to desktop, and I'll just make sure that it's 100% quality. So it's exported. Test filter here. We can open up Spark AR Studio as a blank project. This video here is just going to show you how your filter will look like in the end. So this is just a looping video. Now to set everything up, we need to right click on camera and add a canvas. You're gonna get a new thing here, so it's a canvas. Right click on that and add a rectangle. Now you have this block in the middle of the screen here. This is just a place that your filter will be applied on. Now to make it all across the screen, just click fill height and fill width. That's here under size on the right side. Now here you have to click on this plus sign where materials is. You're gonna get a new asset on the left side here. Click on that and make sure that shader type is flat. We need to extract the texture from that. You're gonna get this little note here on the bottom under patch editor. Now to set further things up, just left click on camera, texture extraction here, click on the plus sign, it's going to be here, camera texture is here. Before we do that, we're going to import everything that we need to use here and just resize that. So test filter, click and drag here, open up this fast color LUT, click and drag inside the software, and now it's actually really easy. Click and drag everything inside. Fast color LUT has to be in the middle, and now you just connect the dots. Camera texture goes to texture, your preset into LUT, and last thing to do is connect these last two things. Now you see, as I said, everything you have to do is inside Lightroom because skin tones are not right. I think it's contrast is too high, so we need to play around with that. And a way to see how it's going to look like on your phone is here. You have a little tab, test on device. and you can send it directly to your Instagram profile. Click send here, and I think you'll have to make a login, and when you send it to your phone, you're gonna get a notification, and then you can try it out as many times as you want. Even if it's not looking right in some certain light conditions, you can go back into Lightroom, change the exposure, shadows, everything that you want, export that again, and put everything back here. So you just remove this one, you can just click on it, backspace, delete. You're gonna get this console thing that is going to say it's missing some files, I think. But again, just click and drag your preset inside, put it in here, and just connect it back again when you make next changes. So that's it. When you're ready to go, when you're happy with the way your filter looks, you can upload it to developers. So you want to publish this effect, I'm gonna click upload, and you're gonna wait for it to open up the internet site where you're going to describe your filter and everything. So this is necessary to put in the name. So the preset that I use, I named it Crimson, and it's going to be for Instagram, of course. Now you're going to get your the way your profile will look like. This tab is here for filters, and this is necessary. You need to upload a video using that filter and an image, so it's going to show up in your profile for everyone to see. These instructions here are for people that make 3D face tracking filters, but since this is just a color profile, you're just going to describe it as a basic color filter, and under here category you need to put, and that's color and light. So when you put everything in, you just click to submit. People from Instagram will see that you submitted this filter. They will check it out, and when it's ready to go, you'll get a notification on your phone, and you can start using it and show it to your followers as well. So that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. I'm not the best at explaining things, but if it was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.